All parties Hurriyat conference has said the BJP-led Hindutva government of India is trying to mislead the international community about the dire situation in occupied Kashmir by staging the parliamentary election drama in the territory. According to Kashmir Media Service, APAC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas said the Modi regime wants to bolster its normalcy claims through the Lok Sabha elections in the occupied territory. High Court of Occupied Kashmir has quashed the fourth detention order in a row under the draconian the Public Safety Act against a former spokesperson of the banned Jamaat-e-Islami Advocate Zahid Ali, directing the authorities to compensate him for the illegal incarceration. Srinagar-Jammu Highway, the only surface link of the occupied Kashmir Valley with the rest of the world, was blocked due to slippery conditions and the mudslides at the various locations in the Ramban district today. Over 350 people abandoned their homes after destruction of their houses due to land subsidence in the Ramban district. According to Kashmir Media Service, 30 houses were completely destroyed, 20 partially damaged and 10 others developed huge cracks, making them unfit for occupation on the Ramban-Ghul road. Amidst the ongoing parliamentary elections in India, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, indirectly referring to the Modi's authoritarian rule, has urged the voters to come out and vote to protect the democracy from the clutches of dictatorship. According to Kashmir Media Service, in his message on X, Mallikarjun Kharge said this is not an ordinary election and the people should not be swayed by the tactics and the lies.